Hello friends! Welcome to Rocketeers video tutorial. In this episode, we'll walk you through assembling your recovery subcomponents. When you order a recovery system, you'll receive a packet containing all the necessary subcomponents. If you've chosen a rocket with a recovery system, this will already be included in your model rocket kit. Let's start by unpacking and identifying each component. Your kit includes 4 main parts. First is parachute material. This is a transparent polypropylene sheet. It comes in a square shape measuring 30 centimeters per side. You can cut it into any shape, circular, octagonal, or hexagonal, based on your preference. For this tutorial, we'll use a circular shape. Second, recovery wadding. This red paper protects the parachute and cords from heat and flame. We've provided extra, but you'll only need a small portion. Third, nylon thread. This thread is used to attach the parachute's edges, forming the suspension lines. Last is elastic shock cord, also known as the shock cord. This ensures the parachute deploys properly. We've included extra, but you'll only need a small section. Now let's shape the parachute. Since the original sheet is 30 centimeters per side, we'll cut it into a circular shape. Using scissors, carefully trim along the edges while maintaining a 30 centimeter radius. Precision isn't critical, but a smooth, rounded shape is ideal. To attach the threads, mark 8 evenly spaced points along the parachute's edge. Ideally, they should be 45 degrees apart. You can estimate this by eye or use a protractor. Poke small holes at the marked points. Cut 8 strips of thread and attach them securely. Before tying the knots, ensure the thread length is uniform. I've chosen 15 centimeters. The shock cord provided is about 1 meter long, but you'll need only 20 centimeters of it. Follow these steps. Number 1. Take the 20 centimeter section and secure it using a sticker strip included in your kit or regular tape. Number 2. Near where the nose cone attaches, insert one end at least 5 centimeters into the body tube. Number 3. Use another strip of tape to create a spherical bulge at the attachment point, preventing it from slipping out. Number 4. Attach the other end of the shock cord to the nose cone, ensuring it remains connected to the body tube when deployed. The recovery wadding is essential for protecting the parachute. Take 2 sections of wadding, each about 10 centimeters square. Crumple each piece into a small ball. Insert them just above the motor housing. Ensure that first wadding is just above motor housing, but not blocking it exactly. This creates a 2-layer barrier for added protection. Finally, let's secure and pack the parachute. Attach the parachute lines to the shock cord. Fold the parachute neatly, making it as compact as possible. Wrap the suspension lines around the parachute to prevent tangling. Insert it loosely into the body tube. Don't pack it too tightly. Place the shock cord inside as well. And that's it. Your recovery system is now ready for flight. Thanks for watching, and happy rocketry!